What is vision? Vision is what do we want to become. According to Fred David, in his book, he explains that vision should give the answer of what we are going to become in future. Vision should be established first and foremost. It should be a short statement, and many managers should involve in creating this or developing this statement. If I tell you good visions that adopted by some organizations, General Motors, its vision is to be the world leader in transportation products and related services. It's a short um, statement, and according to the Fred David, who's the author of Strategic Management Concept and Cases, one of the greatest books, it's a good statement, vision statement. And he comments on another um, vision, that is Royal Caribbean's vision. It is to empower and enable our employees to deliver the best vacation experience for our guests, thereby generating superior returns for our shareholders and enhancing the well-being of our communities. According to him, the statement is good, but it could have ended after the word guests. So it will be like it is our vision is to empower and enable our employees to deliver the best vacation experience for our guests. Small statement, short statement. So that's about vision.